Hello students, this is Monica Chilla, your business studies teacher, and today video is all about the important documents which a company need to prepare. I repeat the topic. Today's topic for the discussion is important documents of a company. It's a topic from chapter 2 class 11. Right? Let's start with it. There are three main documents of a company. Three main documents named as Memorandum of Association, second one is Article of Association, and third one is Prospectus. So mainly we will discuss about these three documents in this video, right? Let's start with the first one, that is Memorandum of Association. What is the name of the document? Memorandum of Association. Right, this is called charter document of the company, and its another name is doctrine of outdoor management, and it contains all the parts and objective of the company. Why it is called doctrine of outdoor management? Because it includes all the information related to external affairs of the company, right? And further it includes 6 clauses. I repeat, this document includes 6 clauses named as name clause, situation clause, object clause, liability clause, capital clause, and subscription clause. So accordingly the information is filled in the respective clause. Fine. So this is mandatory for the company to prepare its own MOA. MOA stands for Memorandum of Association, right? Have a look on the another document, that is Article of Association. It basically includes the functioning related to internal affairs, or it includes all the rules and regulations related to internal affairs of the company, and its another name is Doctrine of Indoor Management, and it is also named as bylaws of a company. Right? Now there is one option with the company. If company don't want to prepare its own AOA, then company can choose any of the one format out of table F. Now question arises, what is table F? Table F is given under Companies Act 1956, and it includes a set of 99 formats. So company can choose any one model set out of these 99 given under table F, or its choice of the company. If company won't, then it can prepare their own article of association, and it includes all the terms, conditions, rules, regulations related to internal functioning. Right? Now moving ahead to the third document, that is Prospectus. Prospectus is a kind of invitation. I repeat, it is a kind of invitation which invites the general public to subscribe the shares of a company, or we can say it's a document that invites deposits from general public for the subscription of shares of a company. Subscription means purchase. So whosoever want to purchase the share of a company, the person need to buy the prospectus of the company. And again there is an option with the company. If company don't want to prepare its own prospectus, then company can go for statement in lieu of prospectus. This is less expensive, less costly to the company, because it includes a simple format, adoption of a simple format rather than preparing a whole prospectus. Right? So in simple words we can say prospectus invites general public or common people to invest the money in the company. Fine. So this is all about three main documents of a company: MOA and AOA and prospectus. Fine. This is all about this video. Next topic we will discuss very soon in next video.